What's up, Fun Fam? It's Vlogmas Day 11.
Today's video, what we gonna be doing?
We got a lot going on. We're gonna be pretty much eating Christmas food for 24 hours. So Christmas snacks, food, whatever. Y'all get the drift. Plus, Nicoya has a what is it? Parade that she's gonna be involved in today.
So y'all remember last year when we did this video? If you don't remember, I will definitely insert a clip where Troy pretty much cheated. Watch this. What you eating? Huh?
I was just warming up. I was trying to warm up some food for him.
Oh, he eating 2 meals? Nah, I was finna get my clothes on, okay? Cause we got somewhere to go.
But I got a headache, baby.
Yeah, I got 2 meals.
This ain't no real food. This is a struggle.
So now Aiden taking up for him, talking about he got 2 meals.
I got medicine for my headache. I'm struggling, man.
So he's struggling, right? Me too. He got steak, rice, and green beans. So what Christmas
This is Christmassy, look. See the green and the red? That's Christmas spirit. Ho, ho, ho. I'm sorry, y'all.
I'm gonna be like the Christmas food police today. You feel me?
No, you just the Christmas food ranch.
No, I'm gonna be like the Christmas food police today because I'm gonna make sure that we stay on task today. Okay?
I don't need your help, cuz.
Kyrie cried last year, though.
And I was not dealing with his ass either. Who was on camera holding Kyrie? You. Because I was over Kyrie's ass.
Why you had this in the refrigerator? You just stuck it in where you could see my cooking.
I don't know.
You don't know when I fuck you. So what kind of cereal you got?
We got Captain Crunch, Christmas Crunch. You hear me?
So, milk free. That's good. Troy got this. Cow puss.
Hey man, I'm doing that shit when I eat my food.
I ain't had no cereal in so long. Now my milk definitely ain't cold enough. I like my milk with ice in it.
Captain Crunch is my favorite cereal, so I can eat these all day and night.
Oh, it is? That's why you didn't want to get nothing else.
I offered to get you something else, but I was gonna definitely get these.
I said the cinnamon something to my now.
There was nothing different about them. It was the same thing.
It had gingerbread or something. Yeah, come.
What's up, bro? Getting ready to leave, and Mello was not going with us. He be showing out in public, y'all. Y'all seen that vlog the other day in the mall. Can't have none, bro.
This would have been better if my milk was all the way cold. So this is what we having this morning. Keep watching our vlog.
Jingle bells.
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
On record, Ashley and Riley Daniel and Elo Silver. I'm going to ask you all to step out there when the Marines go by, just so I can see the other ones. You can see them all lifting their tails away from them now. We're going to put them because we can't stop the parade this year. We only have an hour or so where we can use the roads. These are the people. Here comes that flag. That's the brand new water. Way over far.
Got a little break,
We need that,
How many floats are in here? Oh, 99.
They got 99 floats in this parade. And I don't know how many schools and other acts they got, but yeah, it's gonna be a long one, y'all. They say it's only an hour long, so we'll see. But so far, so good. It just got started.
We're leaving out the way, right?
Yeah.
Frank Kitzrow is appointed the interim town guys. Let us hear from him. Look at the high school.
Oh my God, you want me to get here?
Right on. Next up is Ents located in Palm Beach Gardens. Oh, China again. Created to provide adaptive sports. The only one is Live Like Jake Foundation. Live Like Jake Foundation is created to raise awareness for childhood drowning prevention. The foundation will include holidays. Rhinestone Temple, love the beard, love the beard. This is Dr. Cassie Therapy against us. Not only are they trying to look at them, this is the message to you. You know what I have here? Well, number 40. Washington Elementary Dancers to strive for excellence. We believe each dancer has the ability to increase in residential, electric, generator service, and I got it. Stop the speed. Stop the pacing. We have 10 classes as well as stunt, mobility chair, and dance and fun. And again, they're under the leadership of Phunwiththepatricks. That's why they're so good. Instrument ready here. Be careful. There you go. There we go. Class up. And class out. Coaches are Sean Piper, Adrian Aaron, Crystal McGill. The Jerry Thomas Elementary Tigers are on the list. Don't worry about it. Happy holidays. Thank you for all the charities you support. Thank you very much.
Yeah, so we thought that we was gonna be like slide in, slide out, watch for you, but tricks on us because this boy them at the end clearly, and so we gonna have to be here all for the whole parade.
I'm so sick of this. So boring. Yeah, they got. But I will say though, they got a lot of good floats.
Actual floats.
Yeah, I ain't really been to a parade with real floats in a long, long time. But it's so boring.
My allergies acting up. I need to blow my nose so bad. Ain't got nothing to blow my nose with.
Like 4, you gotta be at the very, very end, y'all. Cause like ain't no way.
Determination, which develop great potential.
Merry Christmas!
Jupiter. The sound of Riviera boots, the mighty marching Vikings of John F. Kennedy Middle School, accompanied by the show-stopping, ground-shaking Viking cheerleaders. Happy holidays from John F. Kennedy Middle School band. Self-confidence. The economy of brilliance and acrobatics. Look at him there! And my, here comes Palm Beach Hills, a kitten rescue and foster member, based here in Jupiter. Visit adoptable cats and kittens of the Chase Wood.
Honey, the joke was on us. One of y'all, my poor baby sitting at home just wondering where his mama at.
Oh yeah, he ain't spare fussing.
Right. My sweet baby Mellow Patrick.
His ass ain't that sweet. He could be out here.
That's that sweet baby Mellow Patrick.
Yeah, he'll be alright. He wouldn't have been able to come out here and do this because he would have like been outside.
Nah.
Mellow is a house dog.
Yes. He be want to go, but then when he get out the door, he act ass.
Yeah, he's a real house dog.
So he ran past Troy. Hey, Bubba.
Oh, yeah, cheese.
Yeah.
Well, let's get into
We
it.
back at home, y'all. Eating some more Christmas food.
I'm struggling with this challenge, for real. Don't nobody do no Christmas themed food. We had a spot we found in Miami.
Yeah, everything down south. So we rocking with these holiday.
So the camera died on Keisha. I think what she was saying was we about to bust down on these chips with some cheese.
So it's some queso blanco. It's green and
White.
it's green, red, and white. So that's Christmas, right? Okay, yes. Woo. Gotta take Mello for a walk before he go crazy. I'm so hungry now.
I'm real hungry.
I think the one from Publix tastes better.
Oh, yeah.
These cute for aesthetics, but flavor-wise, they ain't all that.
Nah. Ain't no flavor. Need some salt.
Where my sweet baby at? I forget Bubba. We finna go walk Bubba Patrick.
Those came from Target, right?
So I can't eat spicy stuff.
Yeah, it
The
got a
little baby
kick.
spice got him coughing.
But it's so good. The taste so good. The chips just taste plain.
Alright, y'all, so we finna walk Mellow. Yeah. We got you, bro.
You better stop.
We about to try these. They nog. I guess they like the chessman cookies, but eggnog flavor or something. So here, do the honors while I'm editing a video for y'all.
You ain't gotta tell them what you doing.
You tell them what you doing when you be vlogging, don't
Look at your dog.
This one I'm tasting. And watching Christmas movies. It's probably. Oh, I smell the eggnog.
I smell funny. Oh my God. Impression.
I just came up with a Christmas drink.
Whoa.
Eggnog with some Hennessy, some of that gingerbread, whipped cream with a little cinnamon sprinkles, and then stick a cookie in the side of it.
Yeah, this cookie, you cookie good. Y'all did that pepper ridge.
I wonder how this good as a banana pudding.
It probably is good.
And we got the bagel. Look how you showing out. Look how they watching you show out.
Dashing through the snow.
Y'all wouldn't believe the nap that we just had. What the last thing we ate was cookies. I'm so tired of Christmas food.
It's a struggle over here, man. It's cold, we hungry.
Oh, Mello want to get into here. Say hey. Look. Say hey. Hey. Hey, Mello Patrick.
Dang, what happened? You had a brain fart?
I'm trying to think what else finna eat.
Okay, Gangsta Key. Gangsta Boo, but Gangsta Key.
I'm finna go get me some chicken.
Just said.
Nothing.
Said.
I ain't said nothing.
I think you said what I think you said. You said chicken.
No.
You sure?
Yeah, why would I cheat and say that?
Listen, we all done cheat on the test before. It is cold in here, boy.
You cold?
Hell yeah, I'm cold.
Kyrie and KJ, I don't know which one of y'all car this is, but it's Melo's now. Oh, he eating. He biting the stuff off of it and eating it.
That's all you do.
Yeah, he can't do that. Nah, Bubba. You can't do that, Bubba. See, look. What? My thing? Because I got to edit video. Why'd you put that in there?
Because you ain't using it right now.
One of them I had 2 512.
I wouldn't mind some
I
chicken.
said Christmas chicken.
I wouldn't mind some Christmas chicken.
How you make Christmas chicken, y'all?
However you finna make it. Be creative.
Oh, I ain't finna bake or nothing.
However you finna order, they finna make it.
Oh, Jesus.
But it's your 512.
Both of them? Hey, y'all. So I'm going to have one of these Christmas gingerbread cookies. But let me tell y'all what I figured out, right? So it's Christmas food, right? So I found this artichoke and flatbread pizza in my oven. Y'all see that green and that red? That green from that spinach and that red from them tomatoes? Yes, Christmas. Come on. Come through with the come through.
Hey, babe. So we got these gingerbread vanilla ice cream sandwiches, y'all. We finna have that for our dessert. And this probably the last thing we eat tonight. Bae already got hers.
Yeah, we had Christmas pizza. I showed y'all. I was so hungry I ain't even record us eating it.
It was good, though.
Our Christmas pizza.
Yeah, it was good.
Woo! Look at him. Look at him.
He's stalking her, boy. Every time we get some food, somebody always gotta be sitting there stalking. Okay, then.
Should I eat his head or his leg?
Yes, sir, I taste. No. You don't like it? You don't like it?
I don't really care for the cookie. I mean, I'm not really a gingerbread person. Like, you know.
Keisha done gave me hers, y'all. She ain't really feeling it.
I get me a Christmas tree cake.
Oh, no. No.
Hey.
It ain't bad. Nah. It ain't bad. It ain't nasty in my voice, but nah, bro. I'm good. I don't want the other one either. Then the kids might like them. I doubt it though.
in one horse.
So alright, y'all. We gonna end this vlog. It's almost midnight. I'm watching my Cowboys smash the Eagles. Keisha is dead asleep. And so is Mello. So we thank y'all for tuning in. We love y'all. Y'all be blessed. Until the next video.